Hello students, let us discuss some problem based on integration. So basic three techniques are there: integration by substitution, integration by partial fraction, integration by parts. So first question is integral of sine cube x dx. This question can be done in two ways. One, if we split the power of sine cube x as sine square into sine x, and 1 sine square x we should put like 1 minus cos square x, and sin x will remain as it is. Then by putting cos x as t, so we can apply substitution and then it can be solved very easily. Or second method is we can find the value of sine cube x from the formula of sine 3x, which is 3 sin x minus 4 sine cube x, and from here value of sine x is 3 sin x minus sine 3x whole upon 4. So if we substitute sine cube x, this value, this can be integrated very easily. The benefit of this method, first method, is that we can apply this method to any higher odd power of sin x, like sin raised to the power 7, sin raised to the power 9, and so on. So you can apply any of the method. Then next is sin raised to the power 5x into cos x. This is again very simple question. Derivative of sin x is cos x, so we can put sin x t or cos x dx dt, so which become t raised to the power 5. Or if we straight away want to apply power rule, so we have to mention this formula: f raised to the power nx into f dash x is f raised to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. So as a reason we have to write this formula, then we can straight away apply this result. Then 1 by secant x minus tan x, you can convert secant tan into sin and cos. After that 1 minus sin x can be substituted as t, so cos x dx is minus dt, so that minus dt upon t, and it can be integrated very easily. Next is integral of x into 5x minus 3 whole raised to the power 1 by 3. Now here problem is that binomial has power fraction. So if we can shift this power to monomial, then our problem will be solved. So to solve this problem, we are putting 5x minus 3 as t, so that x is t plus 3 upon 5, dx is equal to dt by 5, so that integral becomes t plus 3 by 5 into t raised to the power 1 by 3. So our problem is solved. Now it is monomial. So we can open the bracket and we can shift the constant, that is upon 25, outside the integral, and after that we can integrate very easily. Then secant raised to the power 4x dx, we know that integral of secant square x is tan x, so that we can handle this very easily. But don't write this as integral of secant square x is tan x, so its integral is tan square x. This is wrong. So what we have to do, secant raised to the power 4x dx becomes secant square x into secant square x. Then 1 secant square x as it is, second secant square x 1 plus tan square x. Then bracket open, 2 integral becomes secant square x, it can be written as tan x, its integral is tan x. And in second integral we can put tan as t, we can put tan x as t, so that secant square x dx dt, so it is t square by 2, so that it become t cube by 6. So after putting tan t as tan x, so we can get required result. Then tan raised to the power 4x dx, same method like secant square, we can write tan square x into tan square x, but there is no standard integral of tan square x, so I would like to change tan square x into secant square x minus 1. Open the bracket, you will get 2 integral. In one integral again put tan x as t, so you will get same secant square x dx dt. And in second integral convert tan square x into secant square x minus 1, so its integration is tan x, integral of 1 is x. Then dx upon 1 plus tan x, we can convert this into sin and cos, and then multiply divide by 2. Then we can add and subtract sin x, so that 2 integral becomes cos x plus sin x, upon cos x plus sin x and cos x minus sin x upon cos x plus sin x. So first integral, only 1 is remaining in first integral, and second integral is attaining a standard form in which numerator can be shown as a derivative of denominator, so that we can put cos x plus sin x as t, so numerator becomes dt, so that can be integrated very easily. So I hope you have got this question. That's it. That's all for today. Take care. Have a nice day. Thank you.